Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the apple cider vinegar and honey mix and its amazing benefits. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. According to some research, apple cider vinegar and honey are two amazing natural ingredients that have many health benefits. These two substances in their raw form can cure a wide range of health problems. By combining vinegar and honey, you can increase the benefits of these two natural remedies. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you the 10 health benefits of this amazing drink. Stay tuned with us. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Adding sweet honey to apple cider vinegar will make your drink more palatable. Consuming apple cider vinegar and honey can help you fight joint pain, reduce inflammatory disorders and improve gastrointestinal symptoms, and help treat many other diseases. Apple cider vinegar and honey, due to their antibacterial, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties, improve the health of the body. In this video, you will learn about different ways to use apple cider vinegar and honey to boost your health and help prevent infection. The health benefits of a combination of honey and apple cider vinegar. When raw honey and vinegar are used together, they have amazing abilities to prevent infections and cure various diseases. Therefore, using a combination of honey and apple cider vinegar regularly can help improve your quality of life. Number 10. Improving joint health. Regular consumption of apple cider vinegar and honey can help control and naturally reduce inflammation that causes joint pain. Such an effect makes apple cider vinegar and honey a useful home remedy for arthritis, inflammation of the joints, and other inflammatory disorders that affect the joints. Consumption of apple cider vinegar has a significant effect on controlling chronic pain and inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of honey can treat arthritis, pain, and other acute and chronic inflammatory diseases. Number 9. Accelerating the weight loss process. One of the health benefits of consuming a combination of honey and apple cider vinegar regularly is that it can help you lose weight. Apple cider vinegar suppresses your appetite, controls your blood sugar levels, and prevents the accumulation of fat in the body. Does the combination of honey and apple cider vinegar really help you lose weight? An interesting study conducted in Japan showed that 30 milliliters of vinegar in combination with 500 milliliters of water reduces body fat and reduces waist size in obese people. Another study shows that adding vinegar to meals increases the feeling of satiety and thus reduces your calorie intake. Number 8. Lowering cholesterol. Drink a combination of honey and apple cider vinegar to naturally lower your cholesterol levels and keep your blood healthy. The British Journal of Nutrition reports that acetic acid helps the body process fatty acids and increase bile production, thereby lowering cholesterol. A study on the effects of lowering the cholesterol effect of honey showed that regular consumption of honey reduces LDL, bad cholesterol, and increases HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol. Number 7. Improving heart health. Drinking apple cider vinegar and honey, in addition to lowering cholesterol, is a great way to improve overall heart health and prevent heart-related problems. Research on the medicinal properties of honey shows that this food contains powerful antioxidants. The antioxidants in honey can help prevent cardiovascular disease. For example, honey prevents blood clots and lowers bad cholesterol. As a result, it reduces the risk of stroke and heart attack. Apple cider vinegar helps with heart health by lowering cholesterol as well as lowering high blood pressure. Number 6. Lowering blood pressure. Another benefit of vinegar and honey is that they naturally lower blood pressure, and this is also good for the heart. In fact, both honey and apple cider vinegar have anti-hypertensive properties. A study conducted in Japan showed that acetic acid in vinegar plays an important role in reducing high blood pressure. The Journal of Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity reports that regular consumption of honey reduces oxidative stress and can reduce high blood pressure. Number 5. Increasing energy levels. Drinking apple cider vinegar and honey in the morning or before exercise can boost your energy. The Journal of Science American published a study from the University of Memphis that shows that honey also has good glucose in improving energy levels. They found that honey is one of the most effective forms of carbohydrates you can eat before exercise. Although there are no studies on the direct relationship between apple cider vinegar and increased energy levels, you can add 1 or 2 tablespoons of it with a teaspoon of honey to a glass of water to get the health benefits and help cleanse the liver naturally. Number 4. Treatment of sore throat. The antiseptic properties of apple cider vinegar and honey can help kill the infections that cause sore throats. Also, the antimicrobial and soothing properties of honey naturally reduce sore throat and eliminate throat germs. Apple cider vinegar has been an effective treatment for sore throats. Number 3. Cough treatment. Honey has always been recommended as a natural remedy for cough. Medical research has also supported its effectiveness as a healing agent. The Journal of Family Practice reports that 1 tablespoon of honey is as effective as cough syrup, with the difference that consuming honey has no side effects. Apple cider vinegar is also used to reduce cough. A mixture of honey and vinegar was prescribed by Socrates to treat a persistent cough. Number 2. Improving skin health. The antibacterial properties of the combination of honey and apple cider vinegar make it an excellent remedy for the skin. Both honey and apple cider vinegar are used to treat eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, acne, and other inflammatory skin diseases. Apple cider vinegar prevents infection of the skin damaged by germs and helps balance the pH level in the skin. Honey is also a natural healer for the skin and also softens and hydrates your skin. Number 1. Eliminating bad breath. The antimicrobial properties of apple cider vinegar and honey together can help eliminate bad breath. Bad breath may be caused by bacteria on the teeth or by a stomach ulcer. Drinking honey and apple cider vinegar in the morning on an empty stomach can help remove bacteria from the mouth. The antibacterial activity of these two substances can also help treat stomach ulcers. The Royal Society of Medicine reports that honey kills the bacterium Helicobacter pylori. This species of bacteria is the main cause of stomach ulcers. When should you drink apple cider vinegar and honey? For best results, drink it in the morning on an empty stomach for about 20 to 30 minutes before eating any meals. This drink helps your stomach absorb the vitamins, nutrients, and minerals of apple cider vinegar and the properties of honey. And some people recommend drinking a mixture of apple cider vinegar and honey up to 3 times a day. However, you should try and see how much is right for you and how much you can afford. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.